Hi, I am Mohammed, an Excel and Google Sheets expert, and in this video, I'll walk you through over a currency conversion project I completed for a client. So basically, the client already has the existing workbook with this data, and the main pain point of the client is that he wants that all these totals that currently are in Costa Rica currency gets converted into the Canadian dollar. The most important part is that he wants the workbook use the exact date conversion rate in which the transaction gets happened. So basically, for example, if this transaction is happened at 22 January 2025, so the workbook must not use the one simple currency monthly average conversion rate or a current conversion rate. The workbook must has to use the currency conversion rate for that total at 22 January 2025. So basically, he wants that kind of solution. To solve this, I used Power Query with web-based data. Let me just show you. Um, so basically, I write M code to find to build clean, full historical currency conversion table. So this was the code that I wrote in Power Query to find out the complete table throughout the year. And once the it loaded up the data into the Excel workbook, as you can see there. So uh, it loaded all the dates and the currency conversion of one CRC, Costa Rica currency to Canadian dollar for that exact date. So I find the all the dates rates for the complete year 2025, and then I use simple formulas in this column to first look up the exact date in which that total transaction is happened, and then converts this Costa Rica currency into the Canadian dollars. So I applied this formula across the complete table, and then in the end the totals are presented here. So basically the client was really happy with this solution. Now his workbook is far more reliable for financial reporting and review. If you need similar kind of help with your Excel and Google Sheet workbooks, please let me know. Or if you need any other kind of custom solution in Excel and Google Sheet, I would be more than happy to help. Thank you.